So let's do another example now that we've got our R code ready to roll. So let's compare whether material B now comes from a population with a standard deviation greater than 1.7 at a 99% confidence interval. So I'm going to go ahead, open up, let's read in, let's do, so it's 1.7. We'll pop back and forth. Let's read it well. So I'm going to do mat B for sure, though. Mat B, let's do read Excel. Let's do mat B dot XLSX. Good. And now I am going to copy this code. We're looking at material B. We're doing an alternative. I believe it was less. Let's take a peek here. Let's pop it down. Greater than. See, that's always good to check. So greater than 1.7. So let's go ahead and, oops, excuse me. So let's do, instead of less, let's do greater. And we're doing a 99% confidence, so 0.99. And we are doing 1.7. 1.7 square. So let's go ahead and see. So our chi-squared statistic is 22 point good. Pretty close, basically. Our p-value now, again, 99%, we need 0.01. So this is going to be in the do not reject regime. So let's confirm that with our test here. Yep, that is going to be also a do not reject. Fantastic. You could also do less than as well, and we could actually do some other examples. So that's yet another chi-square test with analysis of variance. So next time, we are going to look at f-test, and specifically, we're going to use var.test in order to solve these. So we'll see you next video. Thanks.